Margex exchange review. Welcome back, guys. It's Crypto Rocco from Rockstar Trading Channel. In today's video, guys, I'll be sharing with you my thoughts on this really interesting new exchange, Margex. It's a quite popular, reliable exchange. I've been trying out on it, so I'll be sharing with you my thoughts on what this exchange is about. I'll be showing with you exactly how to use it. I really like their interface. It's all on one page. If you're new to trading, this platform is very easy to use. I'll also share with you a trade setup that I share in my YouTube videos that you can use to be trading on Margex exchange. It allows you to trade up to 100x leverage, but again, if you're new, please don't do that. One of the selling points, as you guys know, with the margin trading in Bitcoin, the other trading platforms, BitMEX, Bybit, and PrimeXBT, there are unfair liquidations and price manipulations. From my experience with Margex, it seems to be really good. The AI-based technology stops all that happening, so that's why I'm always looking at new exchanges. So I'll be sharing with you my thoughts on it. And share with you my selling points on it, share with you exactly how to place orders, and just review this exchange. We'll be looking at all the good stuff as fees and the security and what Margex is about, and the referral program. The key important selling point for me is the unfair liquidations that you see in other exchanges, and also being able to put a stop loss and the take profit order. Those are the two key selling points that I'll touch on. But I want to get into the video. So first of all, I want to start with saying Margex is a Bitcoin based derivatives exchange. It gives the traders the ability to trade up to 100x leverage. Like I've said, guys, risk management is key. The way Bitcoin and altcoins are moving, you don't really need to be going in 100x to make a significant amount of money. So you should be looking at 5 and 10x initially. And I'll talk about risk management at the end of the video and share with you a strategy that you can use to potentially make $100,000 a day, depending on how much capital you've got, risk management and trading experience you have. So yeah, you can trade lots of crypto. The execution, the platform is really good. I've tried it out. Like I said, I'm gonna do some trials with you, how to place orders, exactly show you. But I really like the platform from my experience. Again, please do your own research as well. Don't just put all your money into an exchange. Try it out first for yourself. From my experience, Margex is a reliable and fast. The interface is really good for me. So the key selling point, like I mentioned before, the unfair liquidation and price manipulation with the unique AI-based MP Shield technology. Margex stops that, and that is something that I really like. Margex, came into this space, I believe, 2 years ago, year and a half ago, and they seem to be really good. Margex is community-based as well. That helps the traders build their own platform. That is something I personally really like as well. They started in 2020, I believe, and they've been going quite strong. Margex exchange. So that's all the good stuff out the way. A couple of the main features I want to quickly share with you before looking at how to use the platform is there's no KYC, so anyone can use it. The lightning fast order executions, there's no lags or overloads. As you guys know, when you look at trading on another exchange, there's always like overloads. It doesn't, when something's breaking out, you want to buy and it doesn't let you buy. From my experience from Margex, again, as Margex gets popular, there might be difficulties like other exchanges face when Bitcoin breaks out. You see Coinbase and even Binance go down. So from my experience, Margex exchange, when it grows that big, if it goes that big, then there could be a problem. But this additional features that we're seeing, that it has been quite good. So the isolated leverage up to 100x on all assets. I've explained that. It's very easy to use and not complicated for for newer people. You can easily get started, and for pros, it's quite advanced. The platform is very good for you to get started as well. So I'm not just saying it's just for beginners. You can literally trade here with a decent amount of size. A combined order book of 12 plus liquidity providers. So liquidity seems to be the good, and the security practice, I'll touch on security. But that's really interesting as well. So that's one of the key things I look for, is secure enough, and I'll touch on Margex security, how they protect our wealth. Affiliate program, the daily affiliate program is great. I'll leave my links below. There's a special bonus offer that you can join, and if you are interested in that, the bonus offer, I'll talk about that at the end of the video. But the bonus offer, it should, if you want to put some money in it, you can get up to $50 bonus, and also pay a trading fees, additional $50 bonus. I'll leave the links below if you are interested. But again, if you are looking to deposit some money, try it out. You can check it out and try it with some small money first. So, like I said, Margex Exchange is something that I'm quite interested in, and some of the big brands you can see are already working with Margex Exchange. So, just to review the key features, no KYC, the interface is probably the most simplest I've seen for newers, and also it's advanced enough for pros. All the indicators you can see, I personally don't use an indicator. I'm more of a technical price action and moving average guy, but yeah, you guys already know it from my videos. So I'll use those. All the indicators are available here, and the data you get from TradingView. So the platform is really good. The two key features that I absolutely love about Margex exchange is the simultaneous use of stop loss and take profits. You don't have to like stare at your charts and watch the price move all the time. I'll show exactly how it happens. And the other thing is the AI-based systems to protect price manipulations from unfair liquidation. So again, from my experience from Margex Exchange, I've seen that work quite well. So I'm really happy about that. So those are the key things of the Margex Exchange. Again, if you have any questions, comment below. I'm happy to look at that for you. Bitcoin referrals, if you do want to invest and trade with it with your friends, you can invite your friends. And the referral program is amazing. Fees is very competitive. You can see the fees for Bitcoin, the maker and taker fees and funding. They're very most competitive out there if you compare it to other exchanges. So again, that's something interests me as well. If I'm investing lots of money and trading with it, I want the fees to be minimum. Again, Margex Exchange, you can do your research. Please do your own research as well. But looking at the team and the community, it seems to be a strong team behind it. Safeguarding, Margex consists of several layers of security protocols and controls. It's the industry standard. For again, make sure you have 2FA, the Google Authenticator app, and the custodian. 100% of all assets are stored in a multi-signature offline cold storage. So it's the most secure way. And then if you're putting your hard-earned money into any exchange, you want to make sure that it's the most secure. So that's all the good stuff out the way. Now let's get into the more interesting trading stuff. So just to show you, I'm going to place a limit order now. So from the way I trade, I prefer to trade with limit orders. And the reason why I prefer limit orders is because you get the exact price execution. If you market buy and the price is going up, if you, let's say you want to buy the price at 62,813, but if the price moves quickly, you might not get filled at that exact price. So I personally prefer to use limit order. Again, it's up to you guys depending on strategies. But my breakout strategy, sometimes I have to just jump in with a market order. I might not get the best entry that I want, but ideally, like I said, I really want to trade with limit orders, because again, you can get an exact entry, and that's really important for me to be trading. So let's again do 5x exchange. We don't want to be trading more than 5x leverage. So if we look to buy long now, let me go long and I'll share with you this. So this is my order in there now. It's an active order. It's been filled now, so it will move into the open position. And this is the key bit. So if you look to buy and sell, if you click into this, you can put your target take profit. So if again, this is just an example trade I'm sharing with you guys. So I think that Bitcoin heads towards 63,072. So I'll put that level in there, 63,720. So I think Bitcoin could be heading towards that. So there's our take profit order in there, and then you can add your stop loss as well. Stop loss, if Bitcoin starts getting below here, I wouldn't really like it, so I can put my 6244 stop loss in there. If Bitcoin gets below there, it will automatically execute that, and I won't be in that position. Looking at this, this is the margin. This is something that you really need to know how much margin is and where your liquidity price is. Again, I would never let the price to drop to 50 there. I've put my stop losses in, but if it just if you're trading with a lot higher leverage, you'll see the liquidation price is very close to where you enter, and that's very high risk. You don't want to get kicked out of a position. So that's the basics. If you're looking to trade, you can trade like this. You can have your targets, you can have your entries, and make money this way. This is a really simple way of doing it. There's lots of other features as well that I like, but this is the basic features, and the take profit and stop loss simultaneously is one of the key things that I love about this exchange. A market order, if you want to, let's say, buy Bitcoin, if it breaks out above there, you can put that on there. So let's say you want to market order $5,000 worth of order size. Again, if you see my amount of wallet in there, let's say you want if it breaks out, if it starts breaking out above there, you want to get in, get leverage. Please have that leverage. Don't have too much leverage. This will just automatically buy at market. So wherever the price is, it will just get you in at that price. This is market buy. Like I said, I prefer limit. You can look at market as well. And if you are interested in finding out about a lot more, they've got all these guides. You can watch these videos. They really explain the platform very well in a lot more detail with step-by-step videos. I highly recommend that you watch those videos and educate yourself. This is a very a good place to learn. If you're new to this, they've got lots of information, videos, and guides to get you started. I highly recommend you go onto the trading guide and read this information. And another good thing is the stop market order. This is the buy stop order. So if you want to buy, let's say Bitcoin breaks out above 63 0.25 you want to automatically buy. You can set a buy stop order. So if Bitcoin breaks out overnight, you don't want to miss that. This price will get you in. So if Bitcoin breaks out overnight and into new highs, it will automatically get you in that trade. So this really helps you if you're looking to again trade into good positions and you need to sleep. You can easily do that and trade whilst you are asleep basically. And I personally do that. If you guys know, I share the trade setup above $60, 60k. I got filled in it overnight and now that's in 4% profit. And if you're doing that with leverage, a couple of that trades could really change your account. So that's the platform using. And I said it's very simple. You can pick the coins that you want to use. They've got enough altcoins available there. And if you're leverage trading, you should be mainly leverage trading the big ones. These are the 4 ones that I personally trade. You can see the last trades, the order book, all the information is on here. There's enough support in there as well for you to find out. That's a quick update on the review. Let me know what you guys think. If you are interested in more, finding out about more of these, let me know. If you have any questions, comment below. I'm happy to look back and answer at them. But it's a really interesting project. Try it out. There's a special bonus offer. Like I said, if you are interested, check it out. I'll leave the links below to try it out and see if it's for you. You can get up to $50 bonus and you can try this platform out. It's very user friendly with Bitcoin breaking out. This is an amazing time to get involved. So thank you very much. Smash that like button, subscribe to my channel. Comment below any questions you have on Margex Exchange and I'll try to answer them. Thank you very much and I'll see you guys soon. Good luck.